everybody, it's your teacher, Miss Monty, and I wanted to show you this Thaumatrope, and I'm going to show you how to make one of your own. So you see how there's no fishy in there, right? But on this side we do have one. Now watch what happens, and I want you to make a hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen when I put my hands on here and I spin it and I rub my hands and it makes it kind of move back and forth? You want to see? We're going to put our hands here. I'm going to rub it together. Doesn't it look like the fish is inside the fishbowl? It's called a thaumatrope, and it's one of the many ways that we can trick our eyes into thinking we're seeing something that's not really there, right? So even though the fish is on one side and the bowl is on the other side, our brain thinks and puts it together into one picture altogether because we're moving it that fast. So that's one of the cool projects that we can do, and I can show you how to do that right now. I am using a pencil, a roll of tape, and a piece of cardboard. So if you've got that, it's like kind of harder paper, just cardstock would be great. If you have a cereal box that you don't need anymore, you can use that as well. You're also gonna need some scissors to cut out your circle. So let's get started. We're gonna take our roll of tape and use that on the cardstock to draw a circle. You need 2 circles. So we're going to draw the fish on one and the bowl on the other. All right, and this drawing can be of anything that you want, actually. Once you've got your drawing on there, you're gonna cut out the circles. Cut out the other one. There you go. You got your 2 circles. We've got one with the fish and one with the bowl. And your fish should be small enough to fit inside of that bowl in your drawing. Otherwise, it won't trick your brain as well. And again, it can be about anything. It could be a bird inside a cage. It could be a fox inside of a cave, or it could be just anything. It doesn't have to be an animal, okay? So come up with your own and send me over your designs. I would love to see what they look like. Now, the part about getting it on the pencil is a little tricky, so let me set that up. Now, to get your circle onto your paper, you want to line up your picture so that it's straight up and down. And you're going to take a piece of tape about the size of your circle and take your pencil and you're going to tape it down, head toward the bottom of your pencil, leave some space up at the top, and I'll show you why. Okay, and take another piece of tape. And this time we're going to put sticky side up. We're going to slide it underneath this top part, the sticky side, okay? Might be a little bit tricky. So get that. See how it's sticky? Okay. That's when we're going to get our other side, our fishy side. Make sure it's lining up. And you're going to hold it there. You might have to reach in there and lift the tape up and stick it to your second circle, all right? But once they're both on there, stuck pretty well, you're basically done. Then you can go ahead and start testing it out. Now, if you wanted to color it before you stuck it on there, that might be better and it would be a little bit clearer. Also, if you can see, mine got a little tilted. That's okay. I don't mind it so much. But now, our fish is inside his little fish bowl. And I might put some bubbles in there or some seaweed for our little fish buddy. And that's it. That's all you got to do to make a little thaumatrope. All right. So I would love to see the ones that you guys came up with. If you want to send that over to me, I'd love to see it. All right. Bye.